Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Got a quick little tool first impression here for you. Actually, it's not really my first impression because I've been using them for a while, but I think they're good value for the money. It's Milwaukee Locking, the 10-inch locking pliers, curved jaw, and get one of these opened up here. They're like $15. I think they're better built than the ones. I'm assuming they're also made in China. Taiwan. Okay, these are made in Taiwan, not China, which may make the difference. But they work really well. I carry a set of two of these in my travel toolbox. Bottom when I had to do a garage door and I didn't have any channel locks with me, and I don't know if you ever installed an overhead garage door, but you need two sets of channel locks to do it properly. Or maybe not properly, but it's the way that I do it. They work when you raise the door up to hook the springs and that kind of stuff. You clamp these to the rail to hold the door before it's under tension. Anyways, these work really good. They're easy to adjust. They got a big fat handle here. And let's grab something here. So, a lot easier than the skinny little knob. So, I'm just going to put this in here a little tighter than that. Okay, you can still move it. Zoom you in. Alright, so, got this clamped in there. It's loose, so you're squeezing two pieces of steel together that aren't quite lined up or whatnot, and so you can't clamp it as tight as you'd like. You put it on, you take a screwdriver, you stick it in this hole, and you can really reef on this and tighten it up. So, nice little handy, and I said I like the big thumb screw versus the little thumb screw. Makes it much easier to adjust it one-handed. So, Milwaukee locking pliers, I think they're a great value for the money, and needed some more from the shop, so I picked these up. Alright guys, catch you in the next video. Milwaukee, made in Taiwan.